In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Payoneer account for beginners, step by step. First, go to the official Payoneer website and click Sign Up. Choose the account type that matches what you do, like freelancer, online seller, or business. Payoneer offers different setup paths depending on how you plan to receive payments. Next, enter your real personal details carefully. Use your full legal name, active email address, phone number, date of birth, wasazdi and address exactly as they appear on your documents. During setup, you'll also create your password and verify your email before moving forward. Payoneer's support pages say your email becomes your login username. After that, complete the verification part. Payoneer may ask for documents that confirm your identity and, depending on your account type, details about your business activity. If more information is needed later, you open your account and go to the verification center to upload the requested documents. Once approved, you can start using Payoneer to receive international payments and access local receiving account details in supported currencies. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.